how to organize boards in monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can organize boards while working on monday.com. So there are many ways you can organize boards, but the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into monday.com. And once when you log in on the home page, you can see there are the boards that you're working on, and you can see some information right here as well on the left side. And in order to organize board, the best way to organize them is to group them in specific folders. For example, in order to create a new folder, you can just click here and add a new folder. For example, uh, the organization that I'm working in is a mobile phone production or a mobile company where we make mobiles, but we also have to take care of our marketing side as well as production. So the manufacturing of mobile comes into the production, but we also take care of the marketing. And in the marketing, the customers and the clients, they come in the marketing side. So if I have to take care of both of these things, I have to make boards of both the marketing and the production. I can do that by creating two different boards, and then I can organize them into different folders. For example, this is the first folder that I have built. So I can name it as electronics, because mobile phone comes in electronics, as mobile comes in the uh, niche of electronics. And we can create another folder, and this folder we will name it as uh, customers and socials, which include our corporate social responsibility. So we can group these boards into their respective folders. Wait, here you go, and we can send this one here. So now we have grouped this board into different folders and their respective folders. You can also color these folders. Let's color electronic to red, and let's color this to green, because CSR equals to green. So we can group folders like that, and that is how we can organize boards on monday.com. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.